Today I'm going to show you how to get live Pinterest ads data directly into your spreadsheet using Coefficient. So once you've installed, head up here and launch the extension, then select Import From, and then we'll go to Connected Sources and we'll add a new source. We'll use the search bar here, put in Pinterest, and then we'll select to connect and select to authorize. We'll be redirected here to give access. If you don't have the Coefficient add-on, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and then search for Coefficient in the add-on store. Once you've authorized, you can start your first import by selecting Start from Scratch. This will open the import preview, and here's where you'll select what data you want to import into your spreadsheet. So with this connector, you can import your campaigns, your ads, your ad groups, and then you can even dive deeper by slicing your analytics data for any of those by a specific target metric. So to get started, I'm going to select the campaigns. We're going to preview, and then here you can select all of the fields available, or you can decide to curate the import exactly how you want it and select what is more meaningful for your import. So I'm going to select just a few. And then over here, you can arrange the order of the columns exactly how you like so that every time it refreshes, it always maintains that same order. Once you're happy with that, you can select to import your data. And now that your data is in your sheet, you can set up a auto refresh schedule on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis so that your data is always up to date. Now that you know how to get started, you can begin importing your own Pinterest ads data into your spreadsheet and gain more meaningful insights. So we hope you try it out for yourself, and thanks for watching.